Orchids Garden USA here. My name is Milo and I'm videoing my Oncidium orchid. I have this orchid for a while now and it is growing in a clear plastic flower pot. And it's sitting inside the plastic pitcher and I'm going to show you what it looks like. There it is right here. The roots growing in a coconut husk chips. Yep, coconut husk chips. And then I just water it so it's still dripping. I got this container or flower pot from the Amazon, and the Oncidium grows there in there really well, and I like it. And the picture I got from it's a picture I got from the dollar store, and I really like it, so it doesn't get wet on the floor when I water it, and I can see the water because it's clear, so that's why I like it. This Oncidium is getting ready to bloom, and I'm gonna show you why. Here's the buds. Beautiful. I'm not sure what color this is. I try not to remember of the color of each of my plants. I like surprises. I don't know how many buds in there. I can't tell because it's not. It's a slowly growth of the buds. It doesn't grow that fast in the cold winter or fall. But anyway, here it is. And I can't wait to see it. I don't know exactly what the color, but I have an idea as to what color it's going to be. I don't think it's going to be the same one as the other one that I have before. It could be, possibly, because I separated them and I split the plants and plant them on each different flower pot. And so coconut husk chips, easy to grow, easy to water, easy to take care of. It's one of my favorite media for my orchids, especially Oncidium and Cymbidium. So, and dendrobiums. I have a few dendrobiums left. Dendrobium for some reason doesn't do well on my part of the world. But anyway, I just want to show you this one, and I thank you so much for the support, and I hope that you like it. And you will continue to see some of the orchids that I have in this channel, because that's what the main focus of this channel is how to grow orchids and how to care for them. And this one I water once a week or as it needed. I usually don't overwater it. The orchids is still green and healthy, and it doesn't need any more watering for a while. And keeping them indoor because they don't tolerate the cold weather. It has to be indoor. It's just way too cold for them. This one bloomed last year actually, and as you can tell right there, there are some cuttings right here. That was part of the bloom from last year. So this one every year it blooms, and I keep them all outside. All my orchids I keep outside. That way it produces more buds if I do that. So, and then as soon as when it's like in the late spring, 50 degrees and above Fahrenheit, then I keep him outside. And then I keep him outside until fall, until that degree of cold weather, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And if I leave it outside, then it would freeze and it would start rotting. This is called shoulder bulbs right here, and it looks really healthy. It's not wrinkly. There's no wrinkly in there or anything like that. It's still green. Once it's done, the shoulder bulbs doesn't regrow. To me anyway, it doesn't regrow. So it stays that way. It just produces more plants, and that's how they produce more flower. So there you go. All right. Well, thank you so much. Take care and God bless, and happy holidays. Bye.